द सोशल डिस्टेंस है।
तो लॉकडाउन को खोलने का फायदा क्या है? इससे बेटर तो लॉकडाउन की 31 तारीख तक इसको कंटिन्यू कर दिया जाए।
People are fearful, but we have seen some youngsters also who are roaming around without the mask.
Health concerns are there, but now we have to live with it.
घर पे बीवी ने करके ऐसा पैक करके भेजा है।
Spoke to some of the shopkeepers here. They were not ready to speak on camera because they were too busy in selling their products. They said that the customers who are coming here to purchase are mainly gloves, masks, sanitizers, because the offices and shops are open. Demand has increased. Shops are very close to each other. Hence, maintaining social distancing in wholesale market like this could be very difficult.
म्यूनसिपालिटी के जो नंबर हैं उनके नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग हम इसको मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते थे। जैसे जहां अभी हम लोग खड़े हैं, ये 1503-4 नंबर है, 1503 नंबर, इसके मुताबिक हम करते तो इसके अंदर लगभग 40-45 दुकानें हैं इसी नंबर में। तो हम उनको अगर एक छोड़कर एक खुलवानी हो तो मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते थे, हमें ये बिल्डिंग पूरी खुलवानी पड़ती, तो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन नहीं हो पाती। पूरी मार्केट में ऑड इवन नंबर लगवाए हैं, सभी दुकानों को नंबर दिए हैं, नए नंबर 1212।
हमारी दुकान ऑड में आती है और हमारा जो गोडाउन है वो इवन में आ जाता है, तो हम इवन वाला गोडाउन नहीं खोल सकते हैं, दुकान खोल के रखेंगे। और फिर दूसरी बात यह है कि हर दुकानदार दूसरे दुकानदार से जुड़ा हुआ है।
आप लोग ऑड एंड इवन नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं? हाँ,
ऑड इवन में ही है। अभी यहाँ पे कोई बताने ही नहीं आया ना।
तो लॉकडाउन को खोलने का फायदा क्या है? इससे बेटर तो लॉकडाउन की 31 तारीख तक इसको कंटिन्यू कर दिया जाए। खोले तो तरीके से खोले, नहीं खोले तो पूरी बंद कर। 2 महीने रुके हैं तो हम आगे भी रुकेंगे। ये आप जो गवर्नमेंट है, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट जो है वो अपने फ़ायदे के लिए कर रही है, हमारे फ़ायदे के लिए नहीं है। हमारे पास तो कस्टमर नहीं है, उल्टा जान जोखिम में डाल के हम बैठे हैं यहाँ पे। देखो, बीवी ने ऐसे पैक करके भेजा है कि पूरी फोटो खींच के हमारी व्हाट्सएप पे डाली गई है अपने फैमिली ग्रुप में, और वहाँ से भी मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि ऐसे एक आदमी काम कैसे करेगा। अभी तो मैंने मास्क उतार दिया मैम।
I'm currently at Khan Market, which is one of the most expensive retail locations in the world. Over here, the shopkeepers are abiding all the protocols and the guidelines issued by the Delhi government and are trying to beef up more precautions for the safety of customers and the shopkeepers.
From the entry gate of Barisans, they would cross the tunnel, sanitize themselves, cross in, meet the nursing staff, get them scanned for the temperature, and then sanitize their hand and show that the mandatory mask.
Very few customers have.
Will you allow customers to go for trial?
No, we'll tell them not to try.
And what about touching the material?
Yeah, sure, they can touch. We'll provide the gloves, so they can touch also.
They are all only there in the market just to buy essential products. No one is in the right frame of mind for buying jewelry or for buying clothes. I doubt if in another 6 months things would change. As soon as the clients tries the thing, each and every piece would be sanitized properly, and then only they will display it back to the store or to the display.
So we are worried about that shopkeepers who are about the age of 59, 60, who are at the risk. So normally 50%, 60% of the shopkeepers today take medicines in any form. So we are worried about them.
Are they even coming to the shop?
No, right now they are not coming. They are at home, but they have to see how we can cooperate with them and how can we help them. Health concerns are there, but now we have to live with it. You can't say people have lot of problems with it, but the country cannot stop just because of Corona. Now it's time to revive the economy.
People are fearful, but we have seen some youngsters also who are roaming around without the mask, and when we talk to them that please wear a mask, they talk about that we believe in herd immunity. So we are requesting them that's why we have put up a poster now that everybody who walks into our store should be wearing a mask.
Gone are the days of trying 10 garments before purchasing one, and gone are the days of window shopping. Customers are scared and shopkeepers are wary.